Welcome to Bright Quiz.
Hey language enthusiasts! Past perfect tense can be a bit of a puzzle, right? That's why we've prepared something special for you today. We've curated 25 tricky questions that will not only test your knowledge, but also guide you on the path to mastery. But before we jump into the challenge, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our language mastery content. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of past perfect tense? Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. By the time we arrived, they had left already. She finished her homework before the party. Before I went to bed, I read a chapter. The train had departed by the time we reached. By the time the guests arrived, the chef had prepared the meal. When I got to the cinema, the movie had already started. The sun had set by the time we reached the beach. By the time we reached the summit, the climbers had been climbing for hours. She had already finished the project when I checked. Before they arrived, we had prepared everything. He had visited several countries before he turned 30. By the time I reached the bus stop, the bus had left. She had never ridden a horse before that day. When I got to the party, they had already eaten all the cake. By the time the teacher arrived, the students had completed the test. She had lost her keys before she found them in her bag. By the time I woke up, my family had gone to the zoo. Before the concert, the orchestra had rehearsed for weeks. By the time the rescue team arrived, the climbers had been waiting for hours. She had never seen a shooting star before that night. By the time they got to the airport, the flight had already left. She had studied for hours before the exam. Before the storm hit, they had secured all the windows. The team had never lost a match until that day. By the time he called, I had finished my work.
Thank you. And don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and as always, thank you for being a part of the Bright Quiz community. See you in the next video.